In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to get your Hostinger name server settings, an essential step to successfully managing your domain and harnessing the full potential of your hosting service. Let's dive right in and walk through the process together. First, you'll need to log into your domain management platform where you've registered your domain. Once you've successfully logged in, look for the section labeled Domains. This is typically where you'll find a list of all the domains you manage. Now, next to the domain you wish to configure, you should see an option labeled Manage. Click on that. Accessing the management section will open up more advanced settings that you can tweak. So, prepare to take control. Here, what you're really looking for is labeled DNS, or Name Servers. This section is pivotal as it determines how your web traffic is directed, ensuring that visitors can access your site efficiently. Once you locate this section, click on it. Alright, here comes the crucial part. To switch your domain to use Hostinger's name servers, you should find the Name Server section. This area will allow you to input specific information that ties your domain to Hostinger's system. Typically, this involves typing or pasting Hostinger-specific name servers into the provided fields. Now, if you're wondering why this is crucial, let me explain. Using Hostinger's name servers enables their hosting services to manage DNS records efficiently, ensuring your site runs smoothly and remains accessible to users around the globe. After you've entered the Hostinger name servers and you're certain everything is correctly typed, the next step is to hit the Save button. This may sound simple, but it's a very important action that ensures all changes are recorded and begin to take effect. It's also wise to review everything one last time before saving, just to avoid any typographical errors that could lead to connectivity issues. Once you have saved these settings, remember that DNS propagation might take some time, sometimes up to 48 hours, so don't panic if you don't see changes immediately. This is perfectly normal, as the updated records slowly propagate across the internet. During this time, your domain might not be accessible, but rest assured, this is temporary. And there you have it, a comprehensive walkthrough on obtaining and setting up your Hostinger name server settings. These steps ensure your domain is properly linked and ready to fully utilize Hostinger's efficient hosting capabilities. Thanks for tuning in today, and I hope you found this guide helpful. If you have further questions or need more detailed assistance, feel free to explore our additional resources or reach out to support. Until next time, happy website managing.